Microsoft Reactor presents an incredible opportunity to transform your tech career, achieving GitHub certification. As a globally recognized platform, GitHub is essential for modern software development. Earning your certification validates your skills and demonstrates your commitment to excellence. This certification journey will equip you with the skills to thrive in today's competitive tech landscape. Whether you're a coding newbie or a seasoned developer, this program is tailored to elevate your expertise. Join us as we delve into 4 key events designed to unlock your GitHub potential. Get ready to immerse yourself in the world of automation, security, AI-powered coding, and project management, all within the GitHub ecosystem. This is your chance to gain a competitive edge, network with industry experts, and position yourself for success. Let's embark on this exciting adventure together. In the fast-paced world of software development, efficiency is key. GitHub Actions empowers you to automate your workflow, freeing up your time and reducing errors. Learn to automate repetitive tasks, such as code testing, building, and deployment. Discover how to create custom workflows tailored to your specific project needs. Explore the vast library of pre-built actions or create your own. By mastering GitHub Actions, you'll streamline your development process and boost your productivity. Imagine pushing code to your repository and having it automatically tested, integrated, and deployed. With GitHub Actions, this vision becomes a reality. Embrace automation and unlock a world of possibilities in your software development journey. Security is paramount in today's digital landscape. GitHub provides robust tools and features to ensure your code and projects are protected. Learn about secure coding practices, vulnerability scanning, and threat detection. Discover how to implement security measures throughout your development lifecycle. Understand the importance of code reviews, dependency management, and access control. With GitHub security features, you can build and deploy applications with confidence. GitHub's security ecosystem empowers you to identify and mitigate risks early on. Learn to leverage tools like GitHub Security Advisories and Dependabot to stay ahead of potential threats. By mastering GitHub security, you become a guardian of your code and a champion for safe software development. Experience the future of coding with GitHub Copilot, your AI-powered coding companion. This revolutionary tool assists you in writing code faster, smarter, and with fewer errors. Discover how GitHub Copilot can transform your coding experience. Learn how to use GitHub Copilot to generate code suggestions, complete functions, and explore different coding approaches. Explore how this AI-powered tool can help you learn new languages and frameworks more efficiently. Embrace the power of AI and unlock new levels of coding productivity. GitHub Copilot is more than just an autocomplete tool. It's your coding partner. It learns from your coding style and provides tailored suggestions to enhance your workflow. With GitHub Copilot by your side, you can code with confidence and accelerate your development process. Effective project management is crucial for software development success. GitHub offers powerful project management tools to help you stay organized, collaborate effectively, and deliver projects on time. Discover how GitHub can transform your project management approach. Learn to use GitHub issues to track bugs, manage tasks, and facilitate seamless team communication. Explore GitHub projects for creating custom workflows, visualizing progress, and keeping everyone aligned. Mastering GitHub's project management capabilities will empower you to lead projects with confidence. GitHub provides a centralized hub for all your project needs. From planning and development to testing and deployment, GitHub offers the tools to manage every stage of your project lifecycle. Embrace GitHub's project management capabilities and unlock your team's true potential. As we conclude this exploration of GitHub's capabilities, it's evident that achieving certification is a game changer. The knowledge and skills you gain will not only enhance your technical abilities, but also open doors to exciting career opportunities. This certification is not just a piece of paper, it's a testament to your dedication to excellence in software development. It demonstrates your commitment to continuous learning and positions you as a sought-after professional in the tech industry. Moreover, attending these Microsoft Reactor events provides you with an exclusive opportunity to earn valuable certification vouchers. This is your chance to take the next step in your tech journey, and unlock your full potential. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to level up your tech game and embrace a future filled with possibilities.